I'm now going to install the auxiliary air pump, which is this guy over here. One of these hoses had to be cut off when I removed it because of reasons that don't need to be gone into now. And now I'm going to put this back. There are 4 slots here with, one side is larger. So the idea, I guess, is to push this into the wider end and get those grommets in place if it's possible. Actually, I don't know if it's there. Let's put these hoses back on. There. There. Now, yes, there we go. So this one moves. So I guess the idea is you push that one in place and push this one so that it catches down there. I think I had to push with a screwdriver to get that in there.